Ever opened your higher refrigerator expecting a refreshing chill, only to find it stubbornly refusing to cool? It's a frustrating situation, but before you panic, remember the words of the great inventor, Thomas Edison, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Facing a non-cooling refrigerator is not a failure. It's a challenge, an opportunity to learn and troubleshoot. Let's delve into some potential solutions, turning your fridge's predicament into a learning experience. Much like Edison viewed his challenges. First, check the basics. Is your higher plugged in? Sounds simple, but it's the most common culprit. Next, inspect the power cord for any damage. A frayed or broken cord can disrupt the power supply, leading to the chilling problem. Just as Edison persisted through countless experiments, we must be diligent in our checks and investigations, approaching each step with a focus on detail and precision. Moving on, consider the temperature settings. Perhaps, inadvertently, they've been adjusted to a warmer level. Make sure your fridge is set to the appropriate cooling level for your needs, balancing the freshness of your food with the efficiency of the appliance. Like Edison refining his inventions through trial and error, we adjust the settings until we find the perfect balance, ensuring optimal performance. Now, let's explore more complex issues. The condenser coils, usually located at the back or bottom of the refrigerator, might be covered in dust and debris. This buildup prevents efficient heat exchange, a critical process for cooling. Cleaning these coils is crucial, much like Edison continually cleaned and improved his prototypes, ensuring every component functioned flawlessly. Another potential issue is the door seal. A faulty seal allows warm air to enter, making the compressor work harder than it needs to. Inspect the seal carefully for any cracks, tears, or damage. A compromised seal can significantly affect the fridge's cooling ability. Edison would meticulously examine his creations for flaws, understanding that even the smallest imperfection could impact overall performance. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it could be a more technical problem, such as a faulty compressor or a refrigerant leak. This is where you might need professional help, but remember, Edison's words, "Our greatest weakness lies in giving up." The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Don't be discouraged if the problem seems complex. Embrace the opportunity to learn and persevere. Each step you take, each check you perform, is a way to learn and grow, turning a frustrating situation into a valuable learning experience. Your higher's cooling issue is not merely a setback, it's a chance to build your knowledge, refine your troubleshooting skills, and cultivate resilience. So, don't give up. Just as Edison illuminated the world with his inventions, you can bring the cool, refreshing air back to your kitchen and your life. Embrace the challenge, learn from the process, and remember, every problem has a solution waiting to be discovered. Keep trying, keep learning, and keep moving forward with the spirit of innovation and perseverance. Remember the profound quote by Albert Einstein: "The only source of knowledge is experience." Each check, each adjustment, each moment of troubleshooting is a step forward, a new experience that enhances your understanding and ability. Embrace the process wholeheartedly, learn from the problem, and bring the chill back not only to your refrigerator, but also to your approach to life's challenges.